Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, Sai.
Good evening
Good
everyone.
evening, Sai.
Good evening all.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Shall we start our class?
Yeah, sure.
So hope you enjoyed Diwali, right everyone? Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, actually today also, I mean, here holiday, Pune and all, but actually I took many holidays, right? Due to my health issues. That's why today I conducted the class. Fine. It's fine, right? Okay, just it's 1 hour class, right? So I don't think so. It's a problem. Yeah, so let's get started. Guys, are you doing practice every day? Are you doing or not?
Yes, Sai.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me launch my instance. So this is my Git instance, right? Let me start this one. GitHub. Central repo, right? Central repo. Let's go inside this instance. See guys, whenever you see this one, okay, here just run yum update, because see some packages are there which are need to be updated. That's why whenever you see that command there, you just run yum update -y, so that it will take all updates. Okay. So in yesterday's class, we were trying to understand Git branching strategy, right? You know, how to create branches, how to commit to other branches, how to merge branches, and how to resolve a conflict, merge conflict, right? All those things we have seen in our previous class. Okay, in my previous class, day before yesterday's class. Okay, so we have many other topics, small topics are there in Git. So let's try to understand all those things one by one. Now the topic that we are going to discuss, that is Git Reset. Okay, reset. So what is this Git Reset? Simple guys. This is my repository. Okay, this is my repository. I have a file. Let me take any file. Do ls. Yeah, go inside this repository. We can see so many files, Raj file, Hari file. Do we have Sai file? No. See here, we don't have any file named Sai, right? Yeah. Let me create one file called Sai file. In that file, I'm going to put some content. Okay, I'm going to put some content. Then I'm going to add that file. Okay. So when I add that file will go here, right? That will go to here. But after adding, I came to know that there is a mistake in this one here. Whatever code I kept inside that file, in that there is a bug. Bug means what? Any small error. Any error we call bug. So when I came to know that one after adding, see here, I have added that file. After adding, then after that I verified and I came to know that I shouldn't have added that one. By mistake I have added. So if I commit, then automatically that file will go here, right? The buggy code will go. So what I want to delete this snapshot here. You know, right? When we add, snapshot will be created in staging area. I want to delete that snapshot, or you can say, you know, bringing back changes. Okay, bringing back those changes to work directory. Bringing back changes means what? You know, in a previous position, resetting means that earlier, older, you know, position. Either you can say delete snapshot from staging area, or you can say bring back those changes. You can use any of the words. Okay, so if I delete that snapshot, so it would be like, you know, the older state, correct or not? So how to do that? How to delete snapshot from here? How to bring back changes? So by using Git Reset command. Okay, Git Reset. Simple. If you want to add, command is Git add that file name, correct? If you want to bring back those changes, if you want to delete that snapshot, Git Reset that file name. Suppose if you want to add multiple files, what command you give? Git add, you run dot. If you want to reset, you know, if you want to bring all those files, whatever you have added, if you want to delete all snapshots of the files that you have added, Git Reset, Git Reset dot, like that, simple. Okay, just you have to give reset. Let me show you. VI Sai file. Okay, in that I'm keeping hello Mr. Sai, how are you? I kept some code. Okay, I kept some code. That's it. Now I observed, I verified, and I thought it is right. So what I did, status. Okay, now I'm going to add this file. So how to add? Git add dot or Sai file. Okay, now run status. Yes, now you can see Git took the snapshot. Correct? Git took snapshot. Now I accidentally verified. I have opened that file. You can see either by using VI or cat, you can open the file. Now I opened and I came to know that yes, there is a mistake. Here you can see. How are you? So here E is there, not there. So that's a mistake. That's a bug. That's an error. But when I came to know after adding, I came to know that yes, there is a mistake. By mistake, I have added. I shouldn't have done that one. So now I want to delete this snapshot from here. Or you can say I want to bring these changes back. So for that, we use a command called Git Reset. Either you can give dot or that file name because we have only one file, right? Git Reset, give that one dot. Okay, that's it, over. Now verify, run Git status. See what is showing? It is saying that, hey, untracked file. Untracked file means which is not added and committed yet, correct? That means there is no snapshot. Got it? That is how we do. By using Git Reset, we can bring changes back. Understood? But guys, very, very important. You know, this we are doing before commit. Once you commit, that is out of your hands. Okay. So this we can do only before commit. Very, very important. before commit. Okay. So here we have one more thing is there, that is, see, I have added this file. And I observed that there is a small error is there. Now I want to delete this snapshot. At the same time, I want to delete this file also in one go. I want to delete that snapshot along with the file also. If you want to do that, then the command is git reset -hard. Just we have to give flag -hard. So here you don't get any option to give file name. Whatever files which are in added stage, all files will be, snapshots will be deleted, and those related files which are there in workspace will be deleted. Here you have an option of giving file name. If you have added 5 files, in that if you give one file, you can revert, you can reset only that particular file. But here you don't have that option. All this will be applicable to all. So when you run git reset -hard, this snapshot will be deleted. Along with that, that related workspace file also will be deleted. Let me show you. Okay, this I file is there. Let me add git add dot. Right? Now run git status. Yeah. So that's I file I have added and committed. Right? Sorry. I have just added. Now let me run git reset. Git reset -hard. -hard. When I press enter, that snapshot will be deleted. Along with that, the file which is in workspace also will be deleted. Enter. Don't worry about this. This will be discussed later on. Don't worry about the output. Now verify run git status. What is showing? It is showing that nothing, everything is clean. Do ls, do you have SCI file? No, you can see there is no SCI file. So that is how we can able to do it. Understood? So git reset, either you can give file or you can give dot, then only snapshot will be deleted. But when you give git reset -hard, snapshots will be deleted along with files also will be deleted. Okay, just remember that. First, let me cover these topics, small topics. At the end of the class, I'll come to all your doubts. That's why I'm not rubbing this one. Okay, I'll keep this one same, as it is, so that it would be easy for me to clarify your doubts. Now see, whatever we have seen, that is before commit. But what if you commit accidentally? Then how can you bring those changes back? Correct? So if you commit, then if you want to bring those changes back, then we have a concept called Git Revert. Git Revert. So after commit, if you want to bring changes back, there are 2 ways. One way we are going to discuss today, next, another way we will discuss in next class. Okay. So revert is revert concept. What is this revert? Simple. This is my workspace, staging area. Okay, workspace, staging area. Now, do we have any file here? We don't have any file. Okay, SCI file is not there, right? Let's take the same file. SCI file is not there, right? Okay, let's assume that that's a new file. This is SCI file. These are data. Now what I did, I have added that file. And I have committed that file. Committed also. I have committed. But after committing, now here at this I came to that I shouldn't have done that one. Because now after committing, I observed that there is a small mistake in that. By mistake, accidentally I committed. Now how to bring these changes back? See guys, remember one thing. Once you commit, this is fixed. You can't do anything to this commit. Once you commit, that is out of your hands. You can't do. If you can manipulate the commit, then manipulating the data, kind of, correct or not? Right, which is not acceptable. Otherwise, how come Git becomes secure? Correct or not? See, one CCTV is a CCTV, video is that, camera. So if you can edit that video, then what is the need of first of all keeping the CCTV there? Right? Okay. The logbook is there. Before you enter into any government office, they keep logbook, correct? You have to enter your name, purpose of visit, to whom you are going to meet, the time, date, and all. If you can edit that logbook, first of all, what is the use of the logbook? Correct or not? So here also, commits you cannot do anything. Okay, but accidentally you committed. So how to address this issue? Yes, for that, if you run Git Revert, what actually happens here? Three things happens automatically. Three things happen. Three things. The first one is it will delete that file from workspace because it's a new file, right? That's after that. Second step, it will delete that snapshot also from here. Third one, since it cannot do anything to this commit, that's why it will send one new commit. It will send one new commit, and here in this commit, the automatically message will be created. That is, please ignore previous commit. Okay, please ignore previous commit. See, when you run revert, three actions will be taken. The first one, it will delete that workspace file. It will delete that snapshot in staging area, and it will send one new commit by stating that please ignore previous commit because there's a bug in that commit. That's why it will mention. Since we can't do anything to this black color commit. So when you push, these two commits will go to central repository, someone will pull, then they'll verify and they will read this message. Okay, Sai mentioned that, okay, we should ignore previous commit. That means there's a bug in that commit. That is. And understand one thing, this revert applies to only latest commit. Suppose you have some 5 commits and you want to revert, that's this commit. No. You can use, but it's not, you can use, but it's fully confusing. No one uses that one. It applies, it applies to latest commit only so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, remember, this is applicable to only latest commit. Say by mistake you sent a message, message in WhatsApp to your friend. If you want to delete, yes, you can delete after a couple of minutes. But 2 days back you sent a message and you want to delete, which is not possible. Correct or not? Here also kind of same thing. Got it? So 3 things. It will delete that file. It will delete snapshot. It will send one new commit by mentioning that please ignore previous commit. That is how it is going to do it. Got it? Let me show you. See this. Let me create a file. Verify how many commits are there. Git log minus 1 line. Okay, you can see there are some commits. Latest commit is fixed conflict commit. Just remember that. Now let me create a file. vi file. In that I'm going to put some content. Hello, Mr. Sai. Hope you are doing good. Just I kept some content. Okay, hope you are doing good. Right? Okay. Now let me add this file. Git add dot. Let me commit also. Git commit -m. You can give any message. My latest code. Okay, I committed. Right? I got one commit. Verify. Now after committing, I came to know that by mistake just I wanted to verify that file. I opened that file. See, I have opened that file. Now I came to know that there is a spelling mistake. DOING, but I is missing. Correct? Right? So here now I verified. But see, already I committed. Already commit also is generated. You can see git log -1 line. See, commit got generated, my latest code. So how to address this issue? In that case, we use Git Revert command. When you run Git Revert, this file will be deleted, this snapshot will be deleted, one new commit will be generated, and by default one message will be there. If you want, you can add some more message here. Hey, please ignore previous commit, there was a mistake, something. You can add some more content if you want actually. Got it? Let me show you. Everything will be done automatically. Git revert. So which commit you want to revert? The latest commit. This one only, right? Yeah. So the commit you want to revert, you have to paste that. Git revert this commit ID. Now press enter. See, as and when I press enter, these two will be deleted. One new commit will be automatically generated in one go. Enter. Yes, you can see those two got deleted and commit ID got generated. And I told that one message box will be open. This will be open in a VI file format. VI. You can see. So this is that message. This is a message actually. Okay. If you want, you can add some more content here. See, they are mentioning that this reverts this commit. Yeah, you can add some more contents here. It is showing revert my latest code. Something I'll mention in brackets. Please ignore previous means yeah, this is that commit. Whatever we want to revert. Just try out. Please ignore this commit. Optional message, because anyways they are mentioning reverting this commit means already people will understand. But just for easy understanding, I'm adding some more content. That's it. Just come out. VI file format. So escape :WQ. Done. Over and out. Now let's verify what actually happened. Let's verify. Do ls. Do we have Sai file? No, Sai file is not there. Run Git status. Do you have its snapshot? No, snapshot is also not there. Now run git log maintenance one line. Yeah, now you can see. See, this is my latest code, but see one new commit ID got generated. Here already this message, it was already there. Apart from that, we have added some more message. Please ignore which one? 62376. What is this? This is the one. Correct. So when you push, people will see first this one, then they will see this one. Already mentioned clearly, please ignore this commit. So people will understand that, okay, Sai might have done some mistake. That's why he mentioned. Okay. That means, see, if your intention is to manipulate the data, you can't do it because already commits are there and you can't do anything related to existing commits. Since you can't do, that's why you are saying that, hey guys, please ignore previous one. By mistake, I did that. That's it. So I told you, right, once you commit, that is out of your hands. Just remember that. Okay. And this applicable to only latest commit. Got it? Latest commit. Okay. That is so. Suppose if you want to see, if someone wants to see, okay, what mistakes I did. If someone wants to see, when you push to central repository, someone will pull, right? If they want to verify what actually Sai did, what mistake he did. Git show, if they see this commit here, they can see, okay, hope you are doing, yeah, something, there's a mistake. See, even though you reverted, still they can see. That is the beauty of commits. That means whenever you want, you can go back and get older data. Now, if you want to see this one, Git show, this one, reverted one, I mean this one, latest one. Now here, see here, minus red color. That means Sai has deleted this one. That's the meaning actually. Red color minus, you can see. That means I have deleted that. That's it. And here, one important thing that I would like to tell you, that is, okay, see, I have created file, I have added, committed, this is fine. After that, I have added one more line. Blue color, then I added, then I committed. So it's the latest commit. Now, if you run revert, what actually happens? If you run revert, see, Git revert commit ID we give. What I do, I give this commit ID, latest one. So when you give this commit ID, whole snapshot will not be only this will be deleted from here. This line in this file, this line will be deleted, not entire file, because this file and the black color line you already added and committed, right? That is absolutely fine. So if it is a new file, then only file will be deleted. If it is an old file, then whatever extra data you added and committed, only that only will be deleted. That means if you run git revert blue color commit, then one new ID will be generated by mentioning that please ignore blue color commit. And this snapshot will be deleted and this line will be deleted. That is, if you want, you can try. Whole file won't be deleted because that file was older one. Already some content we kept that has already been added and committed earlier. Got it? So just remember that one. Okay, that you can just try. That's pretty easy. Okay. What you do? You create file, you add commit. In that file only you put some content, again add commit. Then you revert to the latest commit. So by that you can understand this. Right? Very easy, damn easy. That is what revert. And in next class, I will explain one more way, guys. That actually we use mostly. Whatever I have shown you, right? No, that also we use, but mostly we are going to use that method, which we are going to see in our next class. But to crack interview, you have to learn everything, right? Whether you use it or not in company, that's a different matter. But in interviews, they might ask you these things. Okay, now deleting untracked files. How to delete untracked files? For example, let me create some files, guys. There is a shortcut if you want to create multiple empty files. You remember in Linux class, I said, yeah, that commits will be visible, Rohit. Yes, definitely. Every commit will be visible. Okay, then only others can see, right? See, one more thing, guys. Here, in Linux class, I said, by using touch, we create empty files. For what? For testing purpose. Correct or not? Yeah, what is the testing? There is no meaning for special testing. So here, when we create some files, you can see these are the files, empty files. Why we created? For testing only, right? We are testing Git related concepts. So for that only we use. Okay, for testing purpose only, we create these empty files. Could be any testing. Here we are testing Git related concepts, right? That's all. Yeah. So let me create some empty files. Touch. Yes, there is a shortcut in Linux if you want to create empty files. Like, I would like to create F1. Okay, any name, let's take any name. Okay, Diwali. I'll take Diwali 1, Diwali 2, Diwali 3. Like that, I would like to create a file. Okay, D8, Diwali in curly braces, 1:5. So what actually happens here? 1:5. So 5 files will be created, like Diwali 1, Diwali 2, Diwali 3, Diwali 4, Diwali 5. 5 files will be created. In place of 5, if you give 10 files will be created. If you give 100, Diwali 1, Diwali 2, Diwali 3, like 100 files will be created. So you have to give double dot only, that too in curly braces. You have to give the number, first number and the last number. So sequence of files will be created. Let me show you. Enter. Do ls. What is this? Diwali 1, Diwali 2, Diwali 3, Diwali 4, Diwali 5. Right? 4 files. That's all. I mean, just if you want to create like this, you can do it. Okay, you create any file, any normal file with content or without content, that's up to you. If you run git status, these are untracked files, correct? Untracked files. And irrespective of extensions, any file. But if it is an untracked file, and if you want to delete all untracked files, I'm repeating, the concept is here. If you want to delete all untracked files, then the command is git clean -n. N means what? Dry run, guys. Dry run. That means it won't delete actually. See, it will say that, see, it would remove. That means, hey, Sai, I am going to remove these files. Is it okay with you or not? Just it is asking confirmation that is it fine or not? If it is fine, then you give F, means forcefully. N means dry run. Dry run means it will just ask your permission. F means once it is fine, if you verify everything is fine, then -F means forcefully. Now enter. See, removing all untracked files. So in one go, even you could have any number of files, thousands of untracked files. All will be deleted in one go. Verify. You don't have any untracked files. Even if you add that file, that will be tracked file, correct? That won't get deleted. So this command works only with untracked files only. Remember that. Okay. Pretty simple topic. Okay. Next topic is tag, git tag. Tags. How can we use tags? First of all, why we should use tags? If you run git log -1 line, you can see so many commits are there. Out of these commits, assume that there is one important commit. So not one, few important commits. Let's take any one commit. Okay. Let's take Raj file. This is very, very important commit. Okay. So we can't remember this committed. Even though it is important, we can't remember. Every now and then I want to see the data which is there inside this commit. So what we do, git show that commit ID we run, but we can't remember that commit ID, correct or not? So that's why you can attach, we can assign some tag, okay, so that you can remember that commit ID easily. How to assign a tag? Simple. Git tag -a tag name. You can give any tag name, that is up to you. Okay, I'll give as IMP. Okay, any tag name, that's up to you. -m in double quotes, you give any tag message. My important commit. Any tag message, that's up to you. Okay. Git tag -a tag name. -m tag message. That's it. Enter. Hurry, sorry. To which commit? You are assigning tags to which commit? This commit. Okay. So git tag -a tag name -m tag message and the commit ID. Okay, commit ID. That's it. Over. That's it. What? Yeah, actually this tag already existed, right? Even though we did not assign any commit, still it is showing that it exists. Okay. If you want to see list of tags, git tag. Git tag shows list of tags. Let me delete this tag. If you want to delete, git tag -d and the tag name. Let me delete this existing. Git tag -d. This we haven't assigned to any commit. Just it got created because see, we did not give any commit, right? Git tag -d. I have deleted. Okay. Now let me assign freshly. See here. Git tag -a tag name. Tag name I'm giving important. Tag message I'm giving my important commit. To which commit I'm assigning the tag to this commit. Right? Now enter. Yeah, I have assigned one tag. Now if you want to verify whether we assign properly or not, try git log maintenance one line. If you do this, if you run this command, you can see it is showing that yes, there is a tag which is assigned, that is IMP. Now guys, now onwards, you need not give committed, you can give just simply IMP. Suppose if you want to see the data which is there inside that commit, which command we use, git show commit ID, right? But you need not give committed, you can give simply the tag name, git show IMP. So when you refer tag name, backend that will refer to respective commit ID. See here, enter. See when you run git show IMP, see here, it is showing the same commit, it is showing that data. So once you assign tag, then onwards, instead of giving commit ID, you can simply give tag name. That you can do it. Okay, that's the advantage of tags. Okay. Again, if you want to see list of tags which are assigned, git tag, it will show list of tags. As of now, only one tag, that is. And you already know. So if you don't want that tag, how to delete? Git tag -d and the tag name. That's it. Tag was deleted. Now verify. Now see, there is no tag. You can see. Do we have tag? No. Like that, we can assign some tags whenever you want, and after that you can delete. That is up to you. Got it? Pretty easy topic size.